Good morning. It's a lovely Friday. Today's the last day before spring break. It's Friday and the only class that I have is accounting, which I need to head out the door in like 20-ish minutes. Today has been such a lovely morning. I woke up, the sun was out, plus the forecast for this week is just phenomenal. It's high 60s, all sun, which means lots of walks with matcha. I don't know where the child is. Oh. I leave for Salt Lake City in 6 days for my birthday trip with my best friends, and I could not be more excited. Also, this morning, I tried out some new makeup products from MCO Beauty. It was my first time ever trying this Australian makeup brand that's apparently known for dupes. Like, this is the Drunk Elephant Bronzing Drops dupes. This is the Drunk Elephant cream dupe. Obviously, Charlotte Tilbury dupe. Like, I was so shocked when I saw how similar this packaging was. So I have the Charlotte Tilbury foundation. This girl was expensive, and this one was under $30. Only MCO Beauty on my face today, and I am thoroughly impressed. Also, while I was filming the brand deal, my nail broke off even more, and it looks so terrifying right now. I'm gonna insert the clip for you guys though, because I think it is so funny. It genuinely threw me off because it just like cracked even more, and I was like, oh my gosh. So we've got a cute little nub. It's whatever, honestly. I've got a little combo that I want to share. This has happened twice now, where when I walk into my class, 2 different girls have said, oh my gosh, what are you wearing? And so I want to put you guys on my favorite combo currently. This is the Capri Blue hair mist. You guys probably know Capri Blue for their volcano candles. First, what I like to do is spray my hair all over with it. And then I go in with the L'Occitane Almond Delightful Mist perfume, and I just spray this all over my body. And it smells so clean. And something about this combined with this, like Ratatouille, my favorite Disney movie. We've got quite the busy day today, so let's get a moving. I don't want to brag, but I've been Bob the Builder and hung this up all by myself. My favorite thing to do is to cross off the day. It just hits the inner child in me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 days until Salt Lake City. If you've been watching my videos for a while, you know that it has taken me forever to get through the book Gone Girl. Well, don't worry, I finished it. And then I watched the movie after with one of my girlfriends. And the actress, I forget what her name is, she's so good. She nailed Amy, the character in the book. But anyways, I've been reading a new book, and I have flown through this one. Clearly, I love this one, and I have a lot more time on my hands to read it, but it's called The Hotel Nantucket. I love this author so much. I read one of her other books called, I think, Summer of '69, I wanna say. If you're looking for a good read for this summer, if you're going to the beach or anything like that, anything by this author is the move. All right, time to go to accounting. I'm so glad that's the only class that I have today, because I really don't have the brain power to do anything more than that. Every single day, Matcha gets a greenie when he goes to bed. I love getting him these because it also simultaneously, supposedly, cleans his teeth. Today's shoe of the day, got these Steve Madden sneakers. I refuse to wear my big puffer jacket today because it's sunny and I don't want to wear it, but it is a little chilly, so I threw on this little oversized sweatshirt. Okay, it's 10:11. Class starts at 10:30. Let's go for a walk. Can I just say, I literally love it when people's resting faces are just smiles. This one girl just walked past me and she had the biggest smile on her face.
One of my friends sent me in Cabo right now. It's really long time also. Over the summer. Oh shit, that's not now. Like, that's not now, babe. I need now.
Going to produce, this is just our ending inventory. How did they come up with that? Fishing person? What?
Ladies and gentlemen, we are going to try to make a lunch concoction. Oh, hi, do you want attention? Come here, let me see your toy. I've got some sourdough bread, some minced garlic, some leftover bolognese sauce that I made for Kaylee and I the other night. I have been having so much fun with my new air fryer, so that's what I'm gonna attempt to make this in. This one I got from Costco. It's called Gourmia. Yeah, I'm just obsessed with air fryer. So here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna get some tin foil. In my house, we grew up never wasting food. So I've used this leftover sauce to make so many meals. It's good stuff. Some garlic, and we're gonna put that on as a base. Heavy on the garlic. I'm gonna take my ground beef sauce, kind of put that on top. And then lastly, this may seem gross, but I have been loving cottage cheese. It's one of those foods that has the lactose-free option. Big fan of Good Culture cottage cheese. I'm just gonna put some on top. Okay, what is going on? Who is doing work? Putting some on top for extra protein. And then of course a spoonful. I'm very hopeful about this. Okay, we're doing 8 minutes at 400. Oh, sit, pop, good job, drop. Okay, let's go check and see how the creation is coming. Fingers crossed that it's working out because I am ow! He has been so naughty lately, just biting my toes. Let's take a peek. Oops, okay. Maybe I left that in a little too long because she's black right now. Oh no, okay, maybe 400 was way too hot. All right, well, you know, A for effort, I guess. She's just a little burned, that's all. Let's try it out. Okay, smells really good though. Bon appetit. Yeah. Wait, this is actually really good. Yo, I might be onto something. Today's bag of the day is this cookies and cream tote bag from Bearbells. They sent over the sweetest package and I'm just obsessed with this whole thing. Like, are you kidding me? So we're gonna be carrying this today as we go on our little walk. There's nothing better than when you take that first sip of water and it just like hits your stomach. So good. This is one of the lip balms that I keep in my car. It's the Laneige Gummy Bear. It smells as good as it looks. Oh, we're on a curb. Ooh. Y'all, we just parallel parked. That's what's up. I can't tell if I want to go with these glasses. Although, I feel like every time I wear those ones though, I look like the Monopoly dude. Or if I should just go with this. We're going with this one because I'm feeling this one more today. This makes me so happy. Okay, can I please do your crowberry smoothie? That's perfect, yeah.
Dog with Chick-fil-A sauce. Caroline made it from scratch. I'm really excited. This is cornbread actually. She got it from a recipe off of Barnes & Noble. So yeah.
Is it good?
So good. Home Goods to buy me some furniture.
Ooh! So Nick just moved out.
Wasted an exorbitant amount of money on furniture I don't even like.
If you have a good experience with Facebook Marketplace, comment down below because Nick got scammed.
Literally. So there was these chairs. I didn't like them. My friends found them for me and I was just like, I don't want to make her mad. I just was like, okay, I'll get them. Like maybe she's right because I don't know interior design. And I went there, I bought them, I put them in my apartment and with the table that I bought.
hated it immediately.
I literally was like, this is terrible, and I just wasted so much money on them. And they were expensive for what they were. They kind of look like hospital chairs. Oh. Lavender hospital chairs. That's what they look like. So if anyone needs some
let's make a sale.
Lavender hospital chairs, they're on Facebook Marketplace. My Facebook account is Nick Marmillion. Please buy them. I really need to get rid of them.
Let's do trade for trade.
Yeah, I will literally trade you with anything. Like you could buy me you could buy me a sandwich, I'd get it. You could take my chairs. Like seriously, I just need to get rid of them.
So moral of the story, 2024 is the year of saying no more.
Yes, say no. Especially when money is involved. A lot of money.
And while we're at it, if you want a
oh, so it's pretty cute, customized. This row makes me horny. Are you kidding me? Organization?
Home Goods is deadly.
I've never seen anything like that.
Is it 4?
We're at Hyde Park right now, and I just got a matcha with oat milk. Nick didn't get anything.
I didn't get anything.
But they had the cutest cards at checkout, and I got this for a friend. Oh, that's so fun. Okay, we gotta get out of here. So this is the mirror that Nick ended up getting. Look at how cute, and it goes perfectly with we've got a nose blower. Matcha and I are going on our sunset walk right now. It's way too gorgeous not to. I came home, showered, and the sunset right now looks gorgeous on the foothills. It seriously does not get much better than that. Hello. It is crazy how much spinach shrinks. Like, I put a big handful of spinach and now it just looks so tiny on my plate. But anyways, tonight I made some tofu. So that's in the air fryer right now. I've been loving my air fryer from Gourmia, so you can't leave. I'm testing it out. I'm trying to see if it's better than on the stove. I'm already looking at it and the way that it's like wiggling, I don't think it's like crispy on the inside. I know, I'm gonna drizzle it. But it is pretty good. And only that much. We're all over the place this morning. Tip of the day, add cinnamon to your cereal. It's gonna make it 20 times better. Bon appetit. Matcha and I are about to go on our morning walk this beautiful Saturday. First, I wanted to give y'all a haul of what I got yesterday. How adorable are these crochet bags for like the farmer's market? They were also each $6 only. And any time that I've ever seen these in any other store, at minimum, it's like $15. As summer comes around and it gets warmer here in Idaho, I'm gonna be going to the farmer's market every single week, but it doesn't open until April. This is today's walking fit. Nothing crazy. I have on this top from Aloe. I love it. It's like a halter and it has like a built-in sports bra, so I don't have to wear anything under it. And then I have on my Brandine Melville zip up, White Fox sweats, and then I've got on my Set Active socks. After the walk, I want to run to Barnes & Noble and pick out a book. There's a book that I've been really wanting. And then I'm gonna see one of my girlfriends, Kaylee, later today.
Can you feel it? Can you feel the thunder? Can you feel the love?
I have been on my Poppy kick. If you know, you know. Favorite like fruity flavor definitely has to be, let's see if I have any more of it. The raspberry one, this one's also pretty good. Strawberry lemon. Okay, as for the soda ones, there's Classic Cola, Root Beer, and Dog Pop. I think Ollie Pop's Root Beer is better, but this Classic Cola is really, really good. Sauteing some spinach on the stove right now, and I'm gonna dedicate the next 2 hours to editing and getting some brand deal work done because your girl has been slacking in that department. It's definitely gonna be a work day, but I'm stoked to see one of my girlfriends later today for coffee and a walk downtown. Gymming it out. I just got to my gym. We're hitting glutes today, people. It is time. I have been putting this off for quite a while. So, but I got a lot of work done and I felt very productive, but I did want to make it a priority to go today. So here we are. We're showing up, we're showing out. Let's go.
Know what they say, time's got a good way of healing. I'm back on my feet and I'm happier than ever, like I never thought forever was you. My skies are blue.
I just did a 15-minute Pilates workout with Move with Nicole on YouTube, and holy cow, that like absolutely just murdered me.
I wasn't into. Thought I was doomed, but I moved through the heartache mode.
I am sweating.
I'm happier than ever, so much better.
Hours back and then returned from the.
We're back home and it was so good seeing Miss Kaylee. Also, my caramel macchiato was mwah, chef's kiss. It is shower time though, so we are going to take a nice hot shower because I desperately need it. I just made a bowl of oatmeal for dinner, and I think I'm gonna end the vlog off here because now the next video is gonna be prepping and shopping for spring break, which is in 5 or 4 days. I can't remember. But anyways, I'm so happy that you guys are here, and if you made it this far, thank you so much for watching. If you guys liked today's video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and if you didn't, don't do anything. Have a fabulous rest of your day, and I will see you in the next video. Ciao!
I can close my eyes and breathe. A song in good conversations tastes just like medication.